everyone, welcome back to another video in my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Angeline, but people call me Angel and I prefer to be called Angel because it's easier and it just, I don't know, it just rolls smoothly in the tongue. Anyways, today is going to be really exciting because as you can see from my background, I have two luggages, which could only mean to one thing. I am going away, but not for long. I mean, not forever. This whole trip is supposed to be like a golf trip for my dad, but I mean, he's going like with his friends and doing all the golf touring thing, and me and my mom is just gonna do the shopping side, which is fun like compared to the golf. Okay, golf is fun. It's just, you know, I want to like see the country, explore, and like immerse in their culture, you know what I mean? Yeah. And so the question is, where am I going this time? And to answer that question, I am going to New Zealand and Melbourne, I think. Yeah, so 7th till 12th of November I'll be in New Zealand, and 12th till 15th Melbourne, and then I'm gonna go back to Jakarta, which is where I am right now. I'm in Jakarta, in my home in Jakarta, in Indonesia, in a very hot country. That's why I'm excited, because I can't wait to have the cool weather, and I will bring you guys with me. So without any further ado, I will see you guys in the airport where all the fun things will begin. So, bye! We are in the airport now, and we're just gonna wait. It's 7, so we have approximately about like 40 minutes before we board the plane, and I'm really excited. So if you wonder who I'm going there with, I'm going with my mom and my dad, but they will not be in this video for privacy purposes. So I'll see you guys in the plane. This is my oat matcha, which is a necessity. Hey guys, you probably will have a hard time hearing me because it's very loud in this lavatory, but I'm just gonna tell you guys that I'm in the plane right now, and we will probably reach Melbourne in about 6 to 7 hours. I'm not quite sure, but I think around that time. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we reach. Beda 4 jam. Coffee is very strong. Hello guys, so we are currently doing a layover in Melbourne, and in about 1 hour we will go to Queenstown, and we are right now in a cafe because I needed some coffee, but coffee was, I won't say anything about it. Me and my mom's probably just gonna walk around while waiting for our time to board the plane. So I'll see you guys soon. Hello guys, we have finally arrived in Queenstown and I am in my hotel balcony right now and it's super beautiful. I give you that, Queenstown. I reached the hotel like an hour ago and I washed up and got changed and redo my makeup because I think in about half an hour we're gonna go out and have our dinner, and I still can't get over this view. And the weather is literally perfect. It's not like cold to the point that I'm shivering, but it's like just windy and it's very nice. But there's still that aspect of like, yeah, exactly this. It's so beautiful, guys. I just feel like, I don't know, like, it feels like I'm reconnecting with nature. It's like Mother Nature is calling out to me. It's like I'm reconnecting with all the other previous ancestors that have come before me, that have stepped in this place. Okay, that's kind of yeah, and today's agenda is really simple. We're just gonna have a simple dinner and that's it for today. And tomorrow is gonna be like, we're gonna have more activities, so I hope you guys are excited for that. I have adjusted the settings to a more outdoor kind of vibe. Is that better? Can you guys see the view better? Because I feel like the previous video was a bit like bluish. I'm so happy. It's so windy. I love the wind. I love the nature. This is something I don't get in my hometown because everything is polluted, so it's even so hard for me to like see clear blue skies, which we have like here. Like I can see clouds. I feel like the people can see me. I hope you guys are excited because I am. That's very rude. Bye! Bad news is I got my period today, so I'm like literally in pain and I cannot walk. Why? It's like really painful that I'm just sitting here. Guys, I don't know what that is, but it's so pretty. Ta-da!
With the tree.
I'm just here with my mom and her friends. We're just shopping. It's so crazy. We only went to the convenience store and pharmacy, but we still can shop. Hey guys, so I'm in the gym, in the hotel gym. This might be the smallest gym I have ever been in, but it's cute and cozy. So yeah, we were supposed to go out for a run because the view is just breathtaking, but it rained, so we couldn't, which is sad. But I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow so me and my dad could go out for a run while we enjoy the view. But for today, we decided to move our workout in the gym. So yes, I'm just gonna finish off my last 30 minutes, I think. Yeah, it's 7:10 now. Yeah, it's 7:10. And I'm going to finish off my last 30 minutes in the treadmill. And we're gonna be ready for day 2 in Queenstown. Okay, see you guys. I always have a hard time doing my hair. I feel like I'm just not gifted in this area. I don't know how people just curl their hair so easily, but it takes like the life out of me just to get my hair curled. Once I get it curled, it won't even take like 20 minutes until it just goes back to like straight again. Oh, like I thought it was because of my hair type, like it's just very fine and like thin and soft, but people could do it to my hair and it would be good. So I think the problem here is just me. And my parents are downstairs for breakfast, but I just don't feel like having any breakfast because to be honest, I'm not doing very well like in my head. But that's okay. Just want to remind you guys that it doesn't all have to be okay every single time. Even when you're in another country and having the best time of your life, it's okay to not be okay. And it's normal. All you gotta do is just be grateful and always remember, stay positive and that you're doing the best that you can. Just like me and this hair thing right now. I hope you guys are doing okay. But if not, it's okay to not be okay. A person's life may seem very perfect and exciting and nothing seems to be like going wrong for them. That's not always the case. In social media, you have to remember that people only show the best parts. Not everyone are willing to show the bad parts. So just always keep in mind and try to be nice because you don't always know what's going on in people's head. And the head could be a very, very mean and annoying thing. So my parents are probably searching for me and I have to get down. We're gonna leave in 10 minutes, so I look okay, right? Even if I don't. We don't have time for that, so goodbye guys. I guess I should be in it. guys, I am now back in my hotel room, and that was the end of day 2, and I'm really tired, so I'm gonna get some rest and see you tomorrow. Hi guys, the wind is super strong, so I'm gonna go back to my bus, but the rest of them are still taking pictures. But I'm done. The wind is too strong and it's too bright to get the perfect lighting. We are at a winery wine tour thing. Me and my mom is just walking around this area because we're staying here, and so we basically walk here every day because it's kind of like the town. So hi guys, I just came back from my morning run with my mom, and now I'm back in my hotel with these sour jelly beans. They're super good, and it's like you can mix them and like make a kind of like a smoothie or like a lemonade. I'm gonna make a cherry lemonade today. Let's see how it tastes like. So we get 2 beans and so today marks the last day that we'll have in Queenstown. Well, not the last day, but it's the last free day because tomorrow our flight is like at 3 p.m. We will have less than half a day tomorrow. So today's our last day and last night before we go back to Melbourne. But yes, I am excited for Melbourne. The morning run today was like 5 degrees Celsius, and I'm wearing like Like, this is what I was wearing when I was running outside in 5 degrees Celsius and the wind was so windy and the air was super cold, and I'm not wearing anything to cover my legs. We were on top of that mountain yesterday. Now we're waiting for the bus. Now waiting for the bus. Stranded. Oh, there's horses. We are stranded. Hello guys, I am in my hotel bathroom right now and I just woke up from a nap because I was super tired. It was a whole journey today. It was exhausting but it was fun, and yeah, I fell asleep. So like during our mini adventure today, we actually wanted to like explore this like area called Airburn, I think. It's quite far out, so we had to use the bus, but then like we were like stranded when we landed. It was like there were no sign of like shops or like cafes and like restaurants, so we were kind of like, we had no hope, and like half of us, they wanted to go home because there's no sign of anything, but then half of us still wanted to go on because on the maps it was like we just had to walk for like 10 more minutes and then we would reach the place, which at the end we did, but only half of us. And I was one of the people who ended up going to that area, and it was the most beautiful place ever. Like, it was so green. It was like a winery place, so it kind of gave me a vibe of Napa Valley, and it was just so beautiful. And the restaurant was the best restaurant I had for my whole entire trip in New Zealand. The vibes, the architecture, the food. Now we're gonna get ready for dinner, our last dinner in New Zealand before we fly off to Melbourne tomorrow. Yeah. I wish I could show you guys outside, but I don't know how to open this thing. Dang it. Dinner is served.
Nhớ sashimi mau à?
Boleh? Ta-da!
Nha bộ.
Ta-da! With my latte. This is gonna be the last time you guys are gonna see this view from my hotel balcony. It's so beautiful and I'm gonna miss it so much. God, the view is breathtaking. It's so extraordinarily beautiful. I ran along those tracks over there all the way like to the end, and I also went there, but those are like more shopping stalls and foods and cafes. Meanwhile over there is more like nature-y stuff and like parks and mountains and trees and grass. Yeah. Hello guys, so this is gonna be my last clip clip for this vlog since it's the last day. I'm gonna be here in New Zealand, Queenstown. It's currently 10 and I think we have to check out around like 11-ish or 12, but our flight to Melbourne's like around 3 p.m. So yeah, we're just packing right now. I came back from my morning run. I tried the burger. I think it was called Ferg's Burger. It was so good. And we came back, took a shower, and began packing. And my trip here is just so peaceful and fun. Like, you guys should go here. It's just so amazing. I can't get enough of the view. That's why I decided to film this closing clip here in the balcony, because part of it is because my parents are cleaning up right now inside the hotel room, but mostly because I just like it outside with the beautiful view and all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more vlogs like this. And I will probably make a mini vlog for the Melbourne trip, but still not sure. But yeah, that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.